We're now going to add breaks to programs in the Program Scheduler. Go to the main menu, down to Program Scheduler, and it will come up with today's date and day of the week. And we have some programs over here, but if you look down here in this break window, as I select each program, no breaks. Well, let's just add some to the noon news program. So we click here to add a break, and it's waiting for a break name. Well, we'll call this News Break 1. This will show up in a few places in RadioWorks, but it's not a big deal, whatever you want to call it. But a break name is required for the program. All right, when are we going to start our break? Well, we could start it right at noon, and the program automatically gives you a 2-minute break, which is fine. Floating break is used when the time of the break is up to the live board operator's choice, and you can give him a range, him or her, and you could say, like in this case, we could say from noon to 12:15. And the log would then say this break may occur between noon and 12:15, and let the board operator decide when it works out the best to put it in. But if you don't to put that in there, then it'll just show that this is a 2-minute break from 12 noon to 2 minutes after 12 noon. So we'll leave that the way it is. Also, we won't put any use any templates because we don't have any created. So now we'll just click OK, and that'll take us to the break item screen where we will add an item. And in order to get this list operating, we'll put a little dot right there and open it up. There's station ID, and we'll tab. The break starts at noon, and we can tell by the upper right corner we have 2 minutes of material to put in here. Now when I tab to the end, it goes to 10 seconds after noon. Now because it's a program break item, there is no avail time because it is not an avail. It simply tells the board operator at this time put in a station ID. If you're automated, you may want to run your station IDs as spots so that you can schedule the spots in the station IDs in, and they will then run as spots in the automation. All right, now I'm just going to click Save, and you notice now items in break, the first 10 seconds is the station ID, and down here total scheduled time is 10 seconds. Now that means I've got 1 minute and 50 seconds left to schedule in this break, so I'm going to add an item. And over here, I click on the Spot Break Items dot, and now I can open up this window, and I'll pick Spot Avail. All right, now I tab, but it doesn't know when to end that, and all I can tell you is it's going to end at 12:02 because that's the time of our break. So I can either just type the whole thing. Can start with a 2, 12:02, and when I do tab, it'll provide the P. All right, so the avail time, I have 110 seconds. Now the question is, how many spots do I want to allow? The maximum number of spots, and no more than that number when I come to my avail area. Well, it depends on how long the spots are. Underwriting in public radio stations will run from 15 up to maybe 30 seconds. Commercial spots usually are 30s or 60s. We have kind of an odd time here, so we can only put in so many because it's not a full 2 minutes. It's close, but not quite far enough. Anyway, let's just put a number 5 in. That will allow any mixture of spots up to 5 and up to 110 seconds, either or, and that spot avail is full. So now I'm going to click Save, and it's going to create 52 avails, one each Friday from now to October 23rd, 2010. Okay, it just did it, and now that's showing up. So when we close it, we have created that one spot. And now we can repeat that. We can just continue on doing that. Now, I'm going to show you how to do, in just a little bit, I'll show you how to do a template. That'll be another video.